Hey guys, I'm Eugenio from Cooking with Calzones, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite kitchen staples, garlic confit. It's super versatile, and it keeps for a really long time. And it should really be a staple in everybody's kitchen at home. All you need to make this are two things, and that's what makes it so awesome. 2 cups of peeled garlic cloves and 4 cups of extra virgin olive oil. Traditionally, the term confit means to cook something in its own fat. I'm sure you guys have heard of duck confit, which is duck that is slow cooked in its own fat until incredibly tender. Now, garlic doesn't necessarily have its own fat that we can cook it in, but we're going to use the olive oil instead of any other fat to cook the garlic incredibly slowly until it's tender, roasted, and lacks that sort of bitter bite that raw garlic has. You're going to take your 2 cups of garlic and you're going to put it straight into your saucepan. All you're going to do after that is make sure that your garlic is completely submerged in the 4 cups of olive oil. The second step to garlic confit is we're going to take this pot, put it on our burner, lowest heat possible, and simmer the garlic until it is tender all the way through. We're going to leave the garlic on the stove for about an hour. And the way we're going to test our garlic is that we're going to take a slotted spoon and sort of drain a little bit of the olive oil off. And what you're looking to do is just see that the garlic has been cooked all the way through. And you can notice this like nice golden brown, roasty color. That's exactly the color you're looking for. And if your garlic is still a little hot, you don't want to do it with your bare fingers, but you're just going to kind of push and squeeze. And you can see that garlic takes absolutely no pressure to smash. That's when you know that your garlic confit is absolutely ready. The last thing you guys want to do is let this cool at room temperature before you store it. That will allow the garlic to fully settle in the olive oil and not necessarily stunt the cooking process a little bit. After it's cooled at room temperature, all you're going to do is take your slotted spoon and a sealable container, and you're just going to scoop your garlic straight into the container, and then you're going to cover it with the oil. You want to make sure that the garlic is 100% submerged in the oil. This will not only allow the garlic to maintain its flavor, but it will also allow it to be preserved in the olive oil for quite some time. So that's how I like to make my garlic confit. I can honestly say that I use this in 85% of the things I cook on the savory front, and it's one of my favorite ways to preserve the shelf life of garlic. If you like the video, once again, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when we put out a new video. Make sure to follow us live on Twitch every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. The link will be in the description below. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.